I smile all the time, and I'm usually incredibly happy, and I just wasn't smiling. My doctor sent me to see Dr. Liang for a consultation, and that was with much resistance on my part. I didn't think I wanted to see a neurosurgeon, but I needed something. I needed something to change. I wasn't smiling anymore. He told me that surgery was what I needed, that there really wasn't another option for me. He commended me on having done everything else and exhausting all measures, and that was the case. I'd exhausted all measures. So it's kind of like if what you're doing is not working, you need to do something differently. Give us so much information, and then he said, you need to have your disc replaced. So I didn't get a fusion. I actually got a new titanium piece. So I'm bionic. I have a small incision here in my neck. Dr. Liang moved my vocal cords, took out the herniated disc, and then put in a Mobi-C, which is a titanium piece with a spacer and another titanium piece, and they just clicked it back in. So my life with this amazing piece of technology, I have complete range of motion. There is nothing I can't do. So, I can turn my neck all the way around, up, down. I'm better than I was before. So I'm outside in my garden, lifting plants and hauling dirt. I am a real estate agent. I stage homes. I'm moving, I'm carrying, I'm invincible is how I feel now. I feel so good and strong. I was very surprised that a community hospital could offer neurosurgery. I went online and I was checking it out, and I was like, well, this just isn't any neurosurgery practice. This is really, really a top ranking and well known, and it was right in my backyard.